Let me show you what you're going to get. You're going to get a magazine, of course. I've got a few pieces, a few of the pages tagged. I'll show them to you. There are 79 projects, all using the product in the kit. What is that product? Well, let me show you. The basis of everything is this fan cutting die. Now it is a two-piece, and you can see it's very intricate, really, really pretty. There is also a stamp set, and there are 17 clear stamps here. You can see the circle, the flowers, there's also that wedge for the fan, and lots of greetings included. Now there's also a 6x6 embossing folder that is just lovely. So you can see everything really has this beautiful look to it. And there is a template, and this is to make a cake box. You can kind of see how this would go together and fold as you put it on your paper. Just trace around it, remove the template and cut that out, score along those inner lines, and you can put that all together and make a cute little favor. Really, really sweet. Now, in addition, there are papers. Now, there are a total of 174 cutouts. Now, the cutouts are great, and if you want to use them, you've got them right there. But the nice thing is that on the back side, it's printed pattern paper. So you're not going to lose it all. If you want to use the cutouts, great, you've got them. Or if you only want to use maybe part of them, you've got something to do with the rest of the paper. So that happens through all the sheets. Now, everything that I'm showing you, there are 2 of them. So a couple of solids, but most of them are patterned. And again, you've got the cutouts. So let me just flip through here, and you can see that you've also got greetings in those cutouts. So here we go. 2 of every single one that I've just shown you. Now, what can you do with all of this? Well, the answer is right in the box. And as I open this, we'll see some little teasers of what's going on. More right here. And this is just a selection of all the goodies that you're getting. And I hope you can see this. I'm not sure if you can, but this is using that embossing folder, the stamp, and also other stamps. So doing some coloring with that. This is doing some hints and tips of using that cutting die, just showing you how striking it looks in black on white, but we'll get some other ideas too. Here is really striking on vellum with gold heat embossing, really pretty. And here it is actually looking like a fan. Up here, it's just making a circle to go behind one of the pieces of the cutouts. Now, let me show you more. Isn't that lovely? Really, really pretty. And with the laciness of it and the see-through, it's just stunning. Now, here is one that was on the cover that we really couldn't see, but you can see that embossing folder has been used and then layered along with the stamps. Just a really fun thing to do. And, oh, again, I hope you can see this, but there is just half of the embossing folder behind the stamped and colored in image. There is that cake box giving a little bit of decoration. There is another example of the embossing folder, and I know it's hard to see that white, especially when it's been printed in a magazine, but up close and personal I can see everything. Here is another look of fun thing with that stamp of the roses, and here again that filigree look of that fan. So just lots of things that you can do with this, and some things that quite frankly I wouldn't have thought of on my own, and it's great to have all the tools, that template, that embossing folder, all of those stamps, and that lovely cutting die all together in one package. Thank you, Joanna. And remember, this is a Paper Wishes exclusive.